Hello, I'm Robin. Welcome to Human Wellness Initiative. Today we're going to do a simple version of a sun salutation. So we'll do 3 rounds. The first one we'll teach it, the second one we'll move with our breath, and the third one we'll try and extend our movements. So starting with your feet planted firmly, body stacked over your heels, bring the hands to the center, reach up and back. With a bit of a back bend, you can keep your hands together if you like, or reach. And now we're going to fold at the hips and come to hang. Just relax everything from the hips, loosen the knees. Plant the hands onto the knees or the shins, and then flatten the back, rising up halfway. And now we're going to come and place the hands to the floor, reach the right foot back, and bring the knee down to the ground. You can straighten the spine, bring the shoulders away from the ears, feel the stretch in the right side of the hip. Now hands firmly on the ground. We'll bring that knee back to meet. And now we're going to slowly lower so that the chest and the chin touch the floor. You can let yourself go all the way down if you need to. Now, with just a bit of a gentle back bend, we come up, reaching the neck long. Tuck the toes underneath. Coming up on the knees. Now, if it's right for you, lift the hips up into the downward dog. Trying to reach those hips up a little higher, pressing through all the fingers and all the toes. We'll now step that right foot up. If you can't step it, feel free to take a hand and just bring it up between your hands. Now, planting your left foot down beside that right foot, we'll do a twist. Reaching up, and hand comes back down. We're now going to step the back foot forward to meet the front foot. And hang from the hips. We'll plant the hands on the knees or shins one time, coming up halfway. And relax that down. Rooting through the feet, pressing, reaching. We'll come up one time into another gentle back bend. And the hands come down in front of the body. So that's one round on the right side, and now we'll do the left. Reaching up and folding at the hips. Now the hands are going to find their way on the shins, coming up halfway and folding down. The hands come on the ground, the left foot steps back, and the knee comes down. Shoulders away from the ears. Let that left hip sink forward, feel the stretch. And now, one way or another, bring that knee back to meet the one behind. Now we're going to slowly lower until the chest and the chin touches the floor. And then reach forward with the crown of the head, pull back with the ears. Pull back with the shoulders from the ears. Now we'll tuck the toes underneath and start pushing up. And if we're in table here and it's good for you, lift the hips up into the downward dog. Now the left foot is going to come up between the hands, one way or another. And the right hand is firmly planted beside the foot. And now the left hand will reach up into the air, twisting. And that comes back down. We'll step our back foot forward into a fold once more. Planting the hands on the shins, we come up halfway. And relax, release. Reaching up, reaching back, and hands in front. So that's one full set of sun salutation both sides. Now we'll do it again, trying to move with the breath. So inhale as we reach up. Exhaling as we fold. Hands on the shins. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, hands down beside the feet. Right foot steps back. Inhale, get tall. Butt steps back. We'll hold the breath while we lower. And exhale. Inhaling, reaching up with the crown of the head. Tuck the toes under. Exhale as the hips lift up to whatever form you are comfortable with. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale as it steps forward. Blending the left hand, inhale, reach the right hand up. Exhale as it comes down and that back foot steps forward. Relaxing, releasing. Inhale, halfway up, hands are on the knees. Exhale, release. Inhale, reaching up and back. And exhale, back to center. We'll try again on the other side. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, folding. Hands on the knees or shins. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, down. Left foot steps back. Inhale, tall, shoulders down, hip stretching. Step the foot back to meet the other one. And exhale, lowering. Inhale, gentle back bend, weights in hands. Exhale, down. Inhale, up, the hips if it's comfortable. Downward dog. Preach the left foot up. Exhale, forward. Foot comes down onto the ground. Inhaling, the left hand reaches up in the twist. Exhale, it comes down, the back butt steps forward, and we relax. Hands on our legs, inhaling halfway. Exhaling down. Now coming up, breathe in, reach up, reach back, and exhale back to our center. So now we'll do one more round, trying to extend the breath to 5 seconds for each movement. So inhale, reach. Exhale, folding. Inhale, hands on the shins. Coming up halfway. Exhale, folding down, right foot steps back. Inhale, reaching with the crown of the head, shoulders away. Leg step back. And exhaling down. Inhaling, gentle back bend, supported with your hands. Pushing the elbows back. Exhale, coming up to the table or downward dog. Inhale, lift the leg, the right leg. And exhale, bring it forward between the hands. Inhale, the right hand reaches up, twisting. And the exhale comes down, the back foot comes forward. Inhaling halfway up, hands on the shins. And exhaling down. Inhale, reach up, come to the top, gentle back bend. And hands come back to center. Take an extra breath here. Slow, intentional. And exhale. One last time, reaching up, inhaling. Exhaling, folding at the hips. Then releasing the spine. Hands on the legs, coming up halfway, inhale. Exhale, fold, hands pressed to the floor, left foot steps back, knee to the ground. Inhaling, shoulders back, chest proud. Exhaling, bring that foot back and lower to the ground. Inhale, gentle back bend, shoulders away, crown reaching. Exhaling, tuck the toes, lift the hips. Left foot rises, bringing it forward. Exhaling, plants down. Inhale, reaching up. Reach a little higher. And exhaling down, the back foot steps forward. Inhale halfway. Exhaling down. Inhaling, reach, rising up to the top. Gentle back bend. And exhale, hands back to center. And just stand here for a few more breaths. Long, intentional. Feel the change in your body. And after all that, have a great day.